Hi student, we are moving on to probability 2. So there will be some work given to you towards the end of this video. Okay, just want to again recap on what we did the day before on probability. So outcome is basically the possibility of the different things that could happen during an experiment, like flipping a coin. You can have head and tail. So head and tail are your possible outcome. And the favorable outcome is the outcome that you desire to have. Okay, so I've touched on this during the last lesson. The probability of the event is actually the number of favorable outcomes out of the number of possible outcomes. So let's state the number of possible outcomes for the following event or experiment. Tossing a coin. So the number of possible outcomes will be 2. Am I right? Next, what about spinning a circular spinner with equal sectors labeled A to I? So how many possible outcomes do you have? Let's do a quick count. That's right, 9 possible outcomes when you spin this circular spinner with equal sectors. What about drawing a picture card? Okay, so this is something that you need to know again for people not familiar with playing cards. You know, Jack, Queen, and King are known as picture cards because it's like a picture on the card. So that's why we call it the picture card. So each suit, they are a set of Jack, Queen, and King. And yesterday, we actually touched on the number of suits available on the deck of cards, isn't it? So what is the possible outcomes for me to draw a picture card? And there are actually 12 of them. How do you get 12? Because there are 4 suits and each suit has 3 picture cards. That's how I get 12. Jake rolls a fair 6-sided die. So what are all the possible outcomes? I'm sure all of you know this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, isn't it? So bear in mind how you present your working. So the sample space and the equals to, you have the bracket, then list down all the possible sample space and end with a close bracket. Next, what is the probability of obtaining a 7? You know, when you roll a 6-sided die. There's no chance, isn't it? How? Because there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as all possible outcome. So to get a 7 is impossible. That's how you get 0. What about a number greater than 4? So what are the numbers greater than 4 when you roll a die? So you have 5 and 6. So based on the formula, the favorable outcome is actually 2 out of the total possible outcome, which is 6. So which is 2 out of 6. When you simplify, you get 1/3. So what's the probability of getting an odd number when you roll a die? So the odd numbers when you roll a die are 1, 3, and 5. So to get the odd number is actually the favorable outcome, which is 3. Out of the total possible outcome is 6. So that's how you get 3, 6, which is half. So I hope you have learned this lesson well, and please complete all the questions given below. Okay, thank you.